Hi, my name is David Paul Vilacatan. I'm a sales manager.
Hi, my name is Jervin Escarpio. I'm the marketing manager.
Hi, I'm Kirby P. Momo, the HR manager of our team.
Morning, you like you just did something serious.
Morning. Yeah, just get an email from the CEO. We are officially rolling out the new auto base for HR.
Oh, the ERP system, I thought it was still pilot testing.
Not anymore. Listen to this.
Oh, looks like it's time to go digital for real. Excited?
Excited and slightly overwhelmed. This means I need to pull everything together, spreadsheet, contracts, scan documents, and start moving it into Auto today.
Sounds like a full day mission. Well, I leave it, you do it then. Holler if you need help with the info.
Will do. Thanks. Alright, let's get this done.
Hey, Mr. Kirby. How did your interview go?
Really well. The top candidate impressed the panel. Everyone agreed we'd like to hire.
Perfect. Can we get them aboarded right away?
Absolutely. I'll hire them through Odoo now. And that's it. She is officially added to our employee database. Her profile is now on employees module.
That was quick.
Yeah, thanks to Odoo. I also notify IT for system access and send her a welcome email.
That's nice. I'm looking forward to having her on board. Hi, Mr. Kirby. Any update?
We've received 5 applicants already.
Any good ones?
Yeah, here. This one stands out.
That's nice. Let's schedule in any interview.
Alright, that's so easy with Odo. And just like that, the scheduled interview will now appear on the responsible person calendar and under the applicant's record.
That's smooth. Could you keep post after interview?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
That's great. Thanks for getting this set up, Mr. Kirby. Hey, Mr. Kirby. How did your interview go?
Really well, the top candidate impressed the panel. Everyone agreed we'd like to hire.
Perfect. Can we get them awarded right away?
Absolutely, I'll hire them through Odo now. And that's it. She is officially added to our employee database. Her profile is now on employees module.
That was quick.
Yeah, thanks to Odo. I also notify IT for system access and send her a welcome email.
That's nice. I'm looking forward to having her on board.
Hi, I need help updating one of our team member. Our marketing executive just finished their probation. Is moving to our regular status.
Congrats to them. I'll update their contract now. Let me just look for their profile in employee module. Found it. I'm opening their contract records. Okay, I see the probationary contract.
Should we just update that one?
It's better to create a new one. This way, we keep both records for compliance and tracking. Let's click create for a new contract and fill in their details. Now I'll upload the new signed contract and hit save and validate.
Awesome, that was quick and easy, thanks.
Of course, just let me know whenever there's a change like this.
Hey, can I bother you for a moment? I'm struggling with the new Odo system. I clocked in this morning, but I'm not sure if registered.
No problem, I can help you. Auto makes attendance super easy. Did you log in your phone or the desktop?
I use the desktop. I click check in, but I did see confirmation.
Ah, that's a common at first. After clicking check-in, you should see a green icon at the top that indicates that you are checked in. Want me to show you?
Yes, please.
Okay. So here's the attendance module. You can just click this icon, check in, and that's it. Then when you're done for the day, you could just click the icon and click the checkout. As simple as that. You could also use the kiosk mode to check in and check out using your ID.
Oh, okay. That's easy. So, I don't need to fill out any time sheets.
Nope, Odoo records everything automatically. And if you forget, just let me know. So I can adjust it on the back end. Post lang.
Hey team, how the Odo adventure going?
Kirby, just save me from timesheet disaster.
Actually, Odo even lets you track your attendance history, which is useful planning your leaves.
Of course, thanks both of you.
So, ang layo, hindi mo yun.
Puntado.
Hi Kirby, good morning. Quick question. I need to request few days of next month. How do I do it in Odo?
Okay, let me show you how. Go to the time of module. On the dashboard, select the dates that you want your time off, and on the time of request form, choose a time off type and add a description like the reason for your time off, and then click save, and that's it.
Cool. And can I see if I have enough leave days?
Yep. Your available balance is right there on the screen, and no more guessing.
Awesome. We'll submit that today.
Thanks for the anytime. I just received a leave notification. Let me check it out. Go to the time off module, click management, then time off, and here's the approval section. See. Jerwin C. Carpio request just came in, and I see the dates and the reason here. Just in case, I can also view the team calendar to make sure we have coverage. If all looks good, just hit approve, and you can also refuse or ask for more info if needed. Alright, everything looks clear, so I'll approve the time of request. Yeah. Jerwin Carpio will get an automatic notification.
In today, rapidly evolving digital world, businesses regarding of size need to stay competitive, organized, and efficient. One of the most effective ways to achieve this throughout the use and enterprise resources. Planning system or ERP, and among the many ERP solutions available today, one platform stand up of versatility, affordability, and use friendliness. Odoo ERP software. Odoo, formerly known Open ERP, is an all-in, one open source ERP software that helps business management a wide range of functions, from sales and CRM to inventory accounting, human resources, and more. What makes Odoo so powerful is not just a number of modules it offers, but how seamlessly this module integrate to form a complete ecosystem. Let's take a moment to really acknowledge what Odoo brings the table. First, Odoo is module, which means businesses can start with just a few apps like invoicing or project management, and gradually scale up their needs grow. Whether you are a startup managing orders and customers' data, or a large enterprise looking streamline your entire workflow, Odoo adapts to your unique requirements. Second, Odoo is open source, which makes it high customizable and cost effective. Unlike many property ERP systems, Odoo gives business and freedom to tailor up the platform. Other key strength of Odoo is integration capability. Rather than juggling multiple standard tools and platforms, Odoo centralizes data processes and creating seamless workflow. For instance, when a sale is confirmed in the sale module, it can automatically update inventory, generate an invoice, and record the transaction in the accounting module. This integration not only saves this but also reduces the chance of errors caused by manual data entry. Odoo also supports real-time reporting and analytics, giving decision makers an immediately insight in various aspects of the business, whether it's tracking sales performance, monitoring exercise, or analyzing customer trends. Odoo provides accurate, up-to-date information that can better decision. One of the most significant advantages of Odoo, it is user-friendly interface. Unlike many traditional ERP systems that are often rigid, difficult to use, Odoo emphasizes usability. It's clean, modern in design, intuitive layout make it easier for employees to adapt to the system with minimal training. This can significantly reduce the learning curve implementation, which is a critical factor of business integration and digital formation. Another key strength of Odoo, it is integration capability. Rather than juggling multiple standalone tools and platform, Odoo centralized data and process, creating a seamless workflow. For instance, when a sale is confirmed the module, it can automatically update. Invoicing, inventory, integrate modules their needs grow. This flexibility makes Odoo not only cost effective but only high scalable, catering to startup, medium-sized companies, and large enterprise alike.
In the fast-charging business landscape of today, efficiency, integration, and flexibility are essential for maintaining competitiveness. Odoo ERP software is a tool that is changing the way businesses handle their operations. Odoo, as an open source enterprise resource planning system, has gained worldwide acclaim for its adaptability, scalability, and intuitive interface. Recognizing Odoo involves more than just identifying software. It's about valuing a platform that enables businesses to develop more intelligently and swiftly. What sets Odoo apart from conventional ERP systems is its modular structure. Odoo provides a diverse array of applications suitable for any organization, including accounting, inventory control, CRM, human resources, e-commerce, and project management. Whether you are a small startup or a large corporation, every module is completely integrated, enabling smooth data transfer between departments. This connectivity breaks down silos, minimizes manual tasks, and enhance overall decision making. Other notable benefits of Odoo is ability to be customized due to its open source nature. Companies can customize the software to align with their particular requirements, in contrast to numerous other ERP systems that feature flexible frameworks. Odoo conforms to the distinct processes of every organization. This adaptability across various sectors, ranging from manufacturing and retail to education and healthcare. Simplicity in operation is another key advantage of Odoo. Its clear user-friendly design allows both technical and non-technical users to easily navigate it. That's to drag and drop capabilities, adaptable design, and instant updates. Uh, Employees can complete tasks more effectively, minimizing the learning curve technically linked to ERP system. Furthermore, Odoo provides an affordable option when compared to various conventional ERP systems, offering an open source community version alongside a competitively priced enterprise edition. It presents a scalable solution for expanding businesses while maintaining critical features. Organizations can begin with a few modules and expand as their requirements develop.
Good day, everyone. As a human resource management student, I have always been curious about how companies manage people effectively using technology. One of the most impressive tools I've discovered in my learning journey is this and other ERP software. And today I want to share why I genuinely acknowledge that and appreciate the system. Odoo is an ERP software that helps businesses manage different operations like accounting, inventory, sales, and most importantly for us human resources, what makes Odoo stand out is that it is open source, meaning it's customizable, flexible, and can be adapted to different business sizes and industries. That makes it really valuable for companies, especially in today's digital world. Now let's focus on the part that matters most to us as HR students, the HR module. I was honestly amazed at how complete and practical it is. It handles everything from employee records, recruitment, attendance tracking, leave management, payroll, and even employee appraisals. all in one platform. For example, instead of manually collecting resumes or doing paper-based evaluation, Odoo can streamline the recruitment process. We can post job openings, track applications, and schedule interviews directly through the system. As someone who will be handling recruitment and employer relations in the future, this kind of efficiency can save so much time and reduce stress. Another feature I found useful is attendance and time off management. With just a few clicks, employees can request leaves and check their attendance records. Meanwhile, HR managers can approve or decline requests and generate reports instantly. It reduces paperwork and miscommunication, something that is very common in traditional HR system. Odoo also supports employees' appraisal and performance tracking, which is crucial for career growth and productivity. You can set up goals, feedback forms, and even automate the appraisal cycle. This helps HR departments create a fair and organized performance evaluation system, which is essential for employee satisfaction and retention. As a student, I also appreciate how user-friendly Odoo is. Even if you're not an IT expert, the platform is very enthusiastic. I was able to explore its features through online demos and tutorials, and I understand how could it be applied in real companies. In fact, learning how to use Odoo now gives me a head start in HR profession. Many companies are starting to adopt ERP systems, and being familiar with Odoo is definitely a plus on our resume. Another reason I acknowledge Odoo is because it shows us how HR is evolving with technology. Gone are days when HR was about paperwork. Today we need to be tech-savvy and data-driven. Odoo helps us become strategic HR professionals by giving us tools to analyze data, monitor employee performance, and make better decisions. In conclusion, I acknowledge the Odoo ERP system as a powerful tool that supports the goals of human resource management. It makes HR work more organized, data-driven, and employee-focused. As a future HR practitioner, I'm excited to learn more about systems like Odoo and how they can help us create better workplaces. I am Kirby P. Momo, an HRM student in BPSU Balanga Campus. Thank you for listening, and I encourage my fellow HRM students to explore Odoo, not just a system, but as a partner in building of the future human resource manager. Thank you.